Welcome to Becoming Familiar with the Assessment Platform at a high-level overview. When you first log in as manager, you'll notice that you'll always log into your appointments for your studio. As you can see here, we have our client and we also have the instructor that is associated with that particular client. Some of the other things that you'll notice within this screen is we have a dashboard, analytics, challenges, settings. Then on the left-hand side we have classes, general workout, appointments, members, instructors, packages, class challenges, heart rate monitor. For a little bit more of an in-depth view, when we click on dashboard, it actually gives us a high-level overview of how your studio is performing for the month. As you can see here, we have new members for the month, active members for the last 30 days, wearables used, which refers to the heart rate monitor during different sessions, and total calories this month. We also have a couple other data points that you can review as well. The next particular tab that we're going to look at is Analytics. Analytics is where you can run all of your reports for your studio. It is as simple as clicking on the drop-down, selecting your report, configuring the different filters, running the report, and after you run the report within the screen, you do have an option to export it to Excel as well. The next tab is Challenges. Within Challenges, if you ever set up a studio challenge, it'll actually show up within this screen. You'll have the name of the challenge, when it starts, when it ends, and then you also have the availability to add challenges within the screen as well. The last tab I'm going to talk about is Settings. Within Settings, here you can make updates to your studio information as far as phone numbers, addresses. You're also going to add in studio hours, update URLs, which refers back to any of your web pages that you have linked in, and the different referral types that come in from your clients. Some of the other things I'm going to highlight on the left-hand side are web portal, rooms, receivers, pair equipment, class types, users, and support. We'll get into these a little bit more later on during the details of becoming familiar with this particular software. But right now I just wanted to let you know where these resided in case you ever have questions about them. Now to go back to location, once again as I mentioned, location will house majority of the information that you're going to use within your daily operations. So as you see on the left hand side we have classes. Within classes it's going to refer back to if you run any classes that have one or more members within that particular class, it'll show up on here. It'll tell you the number of users within that class, and you're able to do a couple other configurations within that class as well. The next tab is going to be General Workout. If you ever want to just start the heart rate monitoring system just to collect some of the information but not save the information, you would go into your General Workout, find the room that you're in, and actually start that particular sensor. Next tab is Appointments. Once again, this is going to be your default tab when you log into the system. And to refer back, it is going to list all of your clients for the day and the trainer that they're associated with. Next tab is Members. Once again, we pull in the members, and you're able to search for the member, open a member profile, make some minor updates to the profile, and save it off. Next tab are Instructors. This refers back to all the instructors that you have within your studio. It gives their name, email address, location, and you're also able to click open their particular profile and update different things like pictures or any of the information that resides within the instructor. Next tab are Packages. Packages refer back to if you sell anything online, it'll be listed within here. Next tab is Class Challenges. Once again, this coincides with challenges up here. As you create different challenges within your studio, by adding a challenge, class challenge, it will locate in here. You set up the challenge and then it'll eventually pop onto your challenges tab with your start and end date. The last tab is your heart rate monitors. Here you can manage your loaners, add a heart rate monitor, or associate any stationary equipment that provides heart rate sensor information. You can actually associate it within this screen as well. Once again, this is a high-level overview of what it's like logging in as a manager and the different tabs within it. As I said before, for more information, look at some of the other video clips that are coming up on what each of the tabs do and some of the different data points within those tabs.